Bakuru ba district ya Ntungamo batongoza kuhunduza bimwe byombeko bya district na miliyoni 3.6 ebere byamara emyaka eri kurenga 30 bitakahunduzwaga.
14th January 2026, the district signed a contract with Glodina General Supplies Limited to renovate planning unit offices and also former prison structures. The project cost is Uganda shillings 367,288,118.
Orukwebembere by'obufundo mu district engineer Charles Kasemererwa nashobora bimwe bintu ebarakore.
Those latrines were constructed 30 years ago. This was toilet. This has not been having a toilet. We have renovation of planning unit offices, compound beautification. We shall paint the curbstones, also install also around the planning unit.
Fedris Kiza mukuru w'abakozi mu district ya Ntungamo yashobora ngo bimwe abizimbe ebi nibija kweyambisubwa okureta entasi mu district ya Ntungamo.
Ecyango numurebana cyango munonga kanso ekagira ngo tucunduze twamara kucunduza abakubasa kuba ndenda kukikozesa imirimo yona bakuteka muka offices bije batwereze sente tubase kuzikoresa ndijo imirimo yo kombeka ebindi ebizimbe.
Yayongera yashobora ndijo mirimo yakozerwe nangwa na Nigeria nekorwa mu district ya Ntungamo ahansi yembarira yo mwakogo.
Tukozere projects nyingi ezamizi icyo kubanza twine amashomero mingi munonga gutiyo nitwombeka atiyo nitwombeka buildings nka ishomero rya Nyaburza bariyo nibamaririza kutera plaster ishomero umururu Garama za toilets kibo primary ni hingi munonga.
Omurimo gwo kunduza ogu guheirwa ba Glodina General Supply Limited okorwa mezi 5 kandi ubu gutereho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 3.6 na nemitwaro 28 kanana 1018.
Trust yiba twinemu no kugira ngo tubakorire imirimo emwe hwireho twagikoraje. So we expecting kugira ngo ikiye batombiyo cyuzu byona byabo zizako bitekaho site. So trust ni yeje y'ibindi
okunduzo kukukayijaho bwanyuma ya kanso ya Ntungamo okorabye mwe kitayise kiyobo barukora habyombeko nke cyabire kirye cyhome ecyombeke cy'abarukutekatekera district kabuyonjo hamwe na naibare lya district gashakwa Samuel Ahumuza abwataya Roast.